Well, are you worried that your kid will just not be able to hack it all alone at college? Guess what? Now you can rent a parent. Yeah, it's true. It's time now for the other view. So this is a new trend popping up on campuses around the country. Parents hiring quote unquote college moms to help their students with, I don't know, homework, laundry, doctor's visits, car rides. I'm not making this up. And joining us now to discuss, Project 21 Ambassador P. Ray Easley, and author of Drawing Lines, Why Conservatives Must Begin to Battle Fiercely in the Arena of Ideas, Kira Davis. All right, P. Ray, starting with you here. One company specifically is charging $450 an academic year to provide such a service. Another one, I read $10,000. But isn't the entire concept of going away to college, because you're just on the edge of adulthood, is to learn how to be an adult?
Well, I think that we're in a society of helicopter parents. We come from a generation of latchkey kids. And so parents, a lot of new parents feel like they were neglected as children, and they want to make sure that their children never experience those experiences. But that's not going to build the strong Americans that we need. You know, we know that grit and strength comes through resilience, and it's like we're trying to completely get rid of resilience and make everything as simple as possible for the children.
Yeah, Kira, how can we expect Americans to be strong, resourceful, to be able to face challenges and come up with their own solutions if now we're continuing to coddle our American kids well into adulthood?
I read this story and I thought, I'm in the wrong business. What am I doing? Yeah, I mean, it is crazy, but it is a symptom of how we are infantilizing our children more and more. And yet you look at the Democrat Party and they're just desperate to lower the voting age to 16. Yet we're sending kids off to college who can't even make do without a hug from mom for 3 or 4 months. Of course, this is crippling. Of course, this is crippling. We need a generation of people who can stand on their own. Unfortunately, that kind of stuff comes through adversity and through testing. It's not just the fault of the children, but like P. Ray said, there are a lot of helicopter parents out there who are using their children as comfort. They're getting validation from the fact that their kids need them. And I think that that is creating a generation of weak children, not that they can't be strong, but they are sent away weakened. And as a mom with a young student in college right now who is far away from us, I have to say I feel better knowing that he's learning to take care of himself. He doesn't need a minder. He doesn't need a babysitter. He needs life.
I think that's a great point. I mean,
Exactly.
kind of growth and education, kind of at those moments when you least expect to have to take on a challenge, that's the time to do it. And also, just for the record, these organizations say that they don't report back to the actual mom and dad, but they are simply, unless there's a health issue, but otherwise they're simply there, again, to hand out hugs and help with homework and do all the stuff that growing adults don't need. All right, P. Ray Easley, Kira Davis, thanks.
It's kind of weird.
I'm sorry, P. Ray. I'm so
also-
sorry, P. Ray. We're out of time, but really appreciate your insight. Have great weekends, and thanks so much for
Have a great
joining us.
weekend.
Okay, bye.